All right, what's going on? We're doing a little vlog today. I'm with my lady. She's driving. Little baby Brewski's in the back. She's been having a little crazy day, so she's watching a little Peppa Pig. And we just stopped by the storage unit and got all the packs. You know what I'm saying? Got that big Stropharia rugosa annulata. That's that wine cap mushroom. But we got a lot of different mushrooms that we freeze dried and that we dried, and we're on our way to the Pennsylvania Farm Show. So we're out here like in Central Pennsylvania. We have the big farm show. So like all around Pennsylvania, there's different farm shows where people go show their crops, their animals, all different kinds of stuff like that. But in Harrisburg, we got the farm show. So like, it's just all country energy, all fried food, all horses, animals. It smells like dookie. People are drinking milkshakes. It's just a crazy energy. But we're about to go there and we're about to teach some people about mushroom cultivation, and we're gonna do like a little mushroom cooking demo and judge some meals made with mushrooms by children. So gonna be an interesting day. Let's get to it. We're about to go get our son from school, and we're gonna head right in.
You name it. Competition, you got 30 minutes to make the best blended burger. It's mushroom day, so you know there's going to be some mushrooms in that basket. There's going to be all kinds of fun stuff. Infuse everything in these green baskets. You're going to have 30 minutes to cook, and you got to have 3 plates actually prepared. Okay? 3 plates for the 3 judges.
You're going to get a 4th one for you and me.
For me and you?
Yeah.
All right.
3 plates is all right. 3 plates, yes. 3 plates, 3 plates. Let's make it clear, 3 plates. All right, ladies and gentlemen, help me count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, nice. That's exciting for you all. Mediterranean profile. All right. There's a little bit. What do you think about the competition so far?
I'm really happy to be here and I'm excited to eat. My name is Leo and I am 99. Yes. Well, not really. My mom's really the one who cooks a lot in the house, but my dad's a good chef and I enjoy cooking.
Smoked cheddar and there you go. And then multiple cheeses.
All right, Team Albert. Come on down with the plates. Okay, before you get started, you're going to get presented the next burger. Oh, you're not very sorry. That's all right. That's all right. Nobody saw you.
So being mushroom day, we brought Drew Santucci here from Germany to Fresh Mushrooms. Tell us a little bit about Germany, right?
Okay.
So this one, it had a little bit of a sweeter flavor. This one, it just tasted really great, and they both tasted really great. I've just been eating both of them, but I like both of them equally.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, a possible tie. 408th Pennsylvania Farm Show Blended Burger competition with a score of 38 to 39 is Team Vargas.
Got the fam. Got some maple syrup samples.
What check it is?
Smells like animals. Musty and dusty, but we're making our way through. Leo just judged the food competition. Leo, how were those burgers?
Huh?
How were those burgers?
They're great.
Yeah, the burgers were great. Leo just judged the blended burger mushroom food competition, and I'm going on at 4. Let's go.
Well, I just wanted to give thanks for the commercial having me out again. This is my second time up here on the stage, in the convention stage. And I made it up here because I'm a big old nerd. I've been studying mushrooms for 12 years, and in that time I've learned a lot of different things.
I've had the luxury of speaking at some of the biggest mushroom festivals all around the world and studying. And my next big mushroom to conquer is truffles. I don't know how many people have never heard of that or even thought about it, but truffles are actually a mushroom. They're underground mushrooms. They're actually beneficial for trees. So I'm going to be going out to Europe where they have more experience in learning about it and bringing some of that information back here where, lo and behold, there's already people cultivating truffles in Pennsylvania. So a lot of stuff to learn about mushrooms.
Did you know you can grow mushrooms on coffee grounds? That's actually how I first got started. I would go around, traveling around New Cumberland and Camp Hill to the different cafes. I would pick up their coffee grounds at the end of the day, and I would use them to grow oyster mushrooms. We have some oyster mushrooms in that black bag on the end over there. Those are one of the easiest mushrooms to start growing at home. I would recommend anybody try and get started with one of those.